Do you know that the largest gland of our body secretes a hormone which performs so many functions that it won't be illogical to brand this hormone as the foundation hormone of our body, starting from a good immunity to fight against diseases, to prevention against cancers, to optimal level of brain health, or to act like a painkiller. For many painful chronic diseases, the function of this hormone is endless. Did it ring a bell? Watch this video till end to know more about this hormone and how to keep optimal level of this hormone easily for a better quality of life. We know that there are thousands of hormones secreted by our body. In true sense, all living cells of our body secrete chemicals which could be called hormones. Along with our nervous system, the hormones of our body perform a fantastic function of keeping it in its optimal health unless a disease, trauma, poisons, lifestyle or an excess or deficiency of some nutrient we consume disturbs this balance. Largest organ of our body, our skin, manufactures this hormone with the help of cholesterol in our body and a direct exposure of sun rays, and we have been calling this hormone as a vitamin. You concluded right. This hormone is popularly known as vitamin D. For decades, the only function vitamin D was presumed to perform was our bone health. Many kids who developed distortion of legs, wrists and ribs were found to be deficient in vitamin D simply because they were brought up away from appropriate sun exposure. Many adults which kept themselves indoors away from sunlight or covered themselves when outside in a way that there was no direct exposure to the sunlight too suffered from the deficiency of vitamin D. And they usually complained of severe body pains and tender bones. Then subsequently it was discovered that function of vitamin D was beyond our bone health. It was seen in patients suffering from depression, multiple sclerosis and Alzheimer's disease that the deficiency of vitamin D was more prevalent in them. Researchers concluded that it was fair to assume that vitamin D was important for our brain health too. Then it was revealed that the health of our immune system too is dependent on adequate levels of vitamin D. In the ongoing pandemic of COVID-19, it was observed that COVID-19 was more severe and complicated in those who were vitamin D deficient. People reported improvement when adequate supplementation of vitamin D was done in those suffering from COVID-19. Not only COVID, since vitamin D is vital for our immune cells to function, it's a great idea to keep sufficient stores of vitamin D in the body to fight against not only various virals and bacterial disease, but also against cancer. We all know that a disease like cancer too is a manifestation of a weak immune system. If our own immune system is good, it attacks cancer cells and kills them the moment they are made. You will be surprised to know that low levels of vitamin D could aggravate the development of hypertension or high BP, heart disease or even diabetes. Correcting the levels of vitamin D in such patients help them in controlling these diseases in a better, healthier and faster way. Fortunately, nowadays there are many preparations of vitamin D available in the market to correct its deficiency. Some are tablets, capsules or powders and others are in the form of injections. All of these preparations are very cheap. Many of these can be given as weekly, monthly or 6 monthly doses depending upon the condition of the patient. Your doctor will easily optimize the dose for you. Hope you have learned something new today to help you in leading a better quality of life. If you feel that this information can help others too to take better decisions about themselves, I request you to forward this video to all of them.